In this video, we will show you how to access Google Keyword Planner. To access Google Keyword Planner, you need to open ads.google.com. Okay. After you open ads.google.com domain, just click sign in. And using your account, you can see your Google Ads home is look like this. And to access the Google Keyword Planner, you need to click Tools and Settings. And in here, you can find Keyword Planner. Okay, after you click this, you can see Keyword Planner is in here. After that, you can click Discover New Keyword or Get Search Volume and Forecast. In here, we will discover new keywords. For example, in here, we will try to find about printer. And for the country, we will set the target to United States, for example. Okay, and we can click Save. And in here, we can click Get Results. As you can see there, the Keyword Planner has been successfully opened and you can discover the keywords. You can see there is total more than 1000 keywords here with high and low competition. You can just click this to filter from high to low. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how you can access Google Keyword Planner. If you cannot access your Keyword Planner, maybe you need to create the billing information. But if you don't want to pay the monthly, you can just pause your ads. So you can open the Keyword Planner for free here. And hope this video helpful for you.